Get in! Yes!
If you go back far enough, on this site, all the way back to the 60s and 70s, there were only two courses. There was a huge grass putting course and Crazy Golf. Now, Crazy Golf is a uniquely British thing, and you can thank Arnold Palmer for bringing it to the UK, because Arnold Palmer putting courses initiated Crazy Golf in the UK, building courses everywhere, all over the UK, nearly always in seaside resorts. And Hastings back then was one of the Arnold Palmer putting courses. They always look easy. And I mean, I should be good at this. I play here more than most. I live locally. But it plays tricks on you, especially on a day like today. It's very dry today, it's very warm, and therefore the ball runs very fast. So yes, hitting the ball accurately and getting it towards the hole is a major part of the game, but judging the speed of that ball is a very important part. Hit it too hard, it bounces off, it disappears into the distance. Hit it too gently, that's 50% of the game. So the real professionals here, the really good players, can not only hit accurately, but hit it exactly the right pace. And that's the trick. Consistency and getting it right almost every time.
I mean, it's always challenging because we're all using the same ball and rebounds are not reliable, and anything can happen. But if you practice it and get to know the lines, it's a nice course to play.
It's the biggest field we've had for over a decade. It was 2005, we had a similar sized field, but this is the first time we've had a big field like this on the one course. We used to play the tournament across two courses, but this is the first time solely on the Crazy Golf course. So yeah, it's been a big weekend.
No pressure then. Anything you can do. Reserve. That spot reserved for this group.
It's right. Reserve spot. Go on. Go on.
Yes.
Made it this time.
Keeping it up, avoiding those twos. I thought it was very noble of you to deliberately miss that so that you get the run. Imagine the ball's gone in and clap it in. Go.
That's looking good.
Yes!
Even tempted.
It does look like Adam. Yeah. 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 Yep, certainly. Thanks, Dave.
Okay.
Yeah, come on!
Marc Chapman scores one.
Yes, come on! Yes! Come on!
Marc Chapman scores two.
I told you, didn't I? Playing that wall by bloody Pikachu. Didn't believe me. Oh,
it mean to win? Obviously, it does mean an awful lot to you.
Yeah, it's been a personal ambition to be a world champion at something. I'm a professional fencing coach, and so I bring sort of a different angle to it when I play mini golf, and the competitors know that. They know that, you know, in a mental fight, I'm up for it, and I just love the thrill of having a go, you know, having a go, asking questions, seeing what other people's responses are, and yeah, it worked.
First up, we have the most improved player of the weekend.